Welcome, my dear students. This is my next video for you all, and I assure this will be really easy now to know about a mole, that is called here mole concept. जैसा कि मैंने कोशिश की है सारे वीडियो में कि जो भी चीज़ बताई जाए वो आपको पूरी तरह से क्लियर हो सकती है। मुझे ये मोल कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में पता चला कि स्टूडेंट्स यूजुअली फेस प्रॉब्लम्स। सो है क्या ये? इफ़ आई आस्क कि व्हाट इज़ दिस मोल कॉल्ड, सो रियली कम्स sometime very wrong answers. Children, in short, I want to ask you that whenever we use, like we say meter, we use kilogram, we use liter, what are these? What are these things? These are units. These are units. It is for length, it is for mass, and it is for volume. So meter is used for using length, measuring length. Kilogram for measuring mass, and liter for volume. Similarly, mole is also, it is unit of measurement. Unit of measurement. Now, what do we measure? It's also in chemistry. We measure, one is mass. Second, I'll go number of particles. And third is volume. So when we talk about a mole is a unit of measurement, so what do we measure? In chemistry, we talk about atoms, we talk about molecules, compounds, ions, etc. So we need to measure them also. Like we need to measure the mass of, suppose we need to measure mass of 1 mole. I say what is 1 mole first of all. So it is gram molecular mass. As we know, a molecule like I take carbon dioxide, that is CO2, and we can take the atomic mass for carbon is 12, for oxygen is 16, so 2 into 16 will come 32, and so 12 plus 32 will come how much? 44 grams. So this 44 gram is 1 mole of CO2. Alright. So I think it is clear. Second example also I can have. Suppose very common molecule H2O. H2O is 2 plus 16, that is 18 gram. So 18 gram of H2O will also be the mass of 1 mole. So dear students, the first thing for mole, it is the gram molecular mass of any compound. Okay. Gram molecular mass of any compound is 1 mole. Second thing, I have written number of particles. Let me tell you children, it is not easy to measure the particles in 1 mole of a compound, but Avogadro number is used to measure the number of particles in 1 mole. This is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 will be number of particles in 1 mole of any compound. Like CO2, mass of 1 mole of CO2 is 44 gram, and in 44 gram how many molecules of CO2 will be there? So it will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Got it? Means if I ask how many molecules of water will be there in 1 mole, that means even for water, for 1 mole, how many molecules will be there? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It is constant. It is called Avogadro number or constant. 1 mole of any substance has 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So children, second thing for 1 mole is always having how many particles for any substance like carbon dioxide, water, calcium carbonate, any compound. It will be 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Third, I have written volume. Let me tell you children, for volume we have to take always a condition called STP, that is standard temperature and pressure. What is it? Temperature is 0 degrees Celsius and pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure, that is 76 centimeter column of mercury in barometer. So when the conditions are STP, then volume of 22.4 liters. How much? 22.4 liters of volume of the gases. I can say it is only for gas. Only for gases. Please know this. The mole for 1 mole of any gas will occupy how much? 22.4 liters at STP. So at STP, what is temperature? 0 degrees Celsius, or it could be 273 Kelvin. So now I hope things are very clear. When we talk about 1 mole, how much mass? Gram molecular mass. How many particles? Equals to Avogadro number. How much volume for gases for 1 mole of any gas? 22.4 liter. It means 44 gram of carbon dioxide will be taking almost 22 bottles of 1 liter. समझ में आ रही बात? यानी अगर 22 बॉटल्स ऑफ 1 लीटर हम लेते हैं तो वो 1 मोल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को रिप्रेजेंट करेगी, या 1 मोल ऑक्सीजन को रिप्रेजेंट करेगी, या 1 मोल कोई भी गैस, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, गैसेस जो भी ले लें, हम मान लीजिए लेते हैं सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, तो इसका भी 1 मोल कितना मेज़र करेगा? 22.4 लीटर्स. सो आई बिलीव व्हाट इज़ 1 मोल is simple and easy to answer. Let me summarize. So I said it is a unit of measurement. What is the measurement done with this mole? We measure mass, particles, volume. So mass is gram molecular mass. For a compound like carbon dioxide I have taken, water I have taken, you can take any other compound also, you get it gram molecular mass. So molecular mass would be different. Like I have taken CO2 44 gram, for water is 18 gram. So it is 1 mole of these two different compounds. I took in second thing, number of particles. Number of particles में मैंने लिखा है Avogadro constant को हम लोग लेंगे 6.022 10 to the power 23 particles जब हो जाएंगे तो वो 1 mole of दैट सब्सटेंस, अब वो चाहे गैस हो, चाहे वो लिक्विड हो, चाहे वो सॉलिड हो. लेकिन अब आती है बात, तीसरा मैंने लिखा है वॉल्यूम. अगर 22.4 लीटर्स का वॉल्यूम लेते हैं किसी गैस का एट STP पे, वो भी उसका 1 मोल होता है। यानी 1 मोल को आप इस तरह से बता सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ 1 मोल फॉर different purposes and different conditions. So I hope this is giving you an easy approach, and I'm very sure it is going to help you to solve your questions. In the next video I'll give you the more formula to solve the questions based on mole concept. Thank you and keep watching my video.